So at the heart of this beast is the Intel's Core i7-13700KF, 16 cores, 24 threads of raw multitasking energy. Whether I'm rendering in DaVinci, training AI models, or running OBS, this thing doesn't blink. It is a type of CPU that just says, throw more at me, I am not tired. In fact, I was working on CapCut and I realized that my GPU did not kick into action until it got to about 10% of exporting. That is what this machine is trying to say. Say, it is not yet time for my GPU to work, I can handle it. Now, this system is paired with 32 gig of DDR5 RAM clocked at 5600 MAZ, and of course, I have 16 gig. My multitasking finally breaks. You know those moments when Chrome, DaVinci, and ChatGPT are all open and your system starts begging for mercy. Yeah, this one doesn't beg, it just works because it's expecting you to do more to it.